All right, so this is the second part of the homework. We're going to start with question number 4 real quick. So look at question number 4. Number 4 is the parent function, which is f of x. And the transformation here, it looks like it's 3/2, which is the same as 1.5. So the graph shifted 1/2 unit up. The blue one here, g of x, it's the line of the new function that got shifted up half a unit. For number 5 here, y equals x, the parent function is y equals x, which is the red line indicated here. And for the f of x here, that is the transformation. So I put right here the graph of f of x is a vertical stretch by a factor of 3, meaning the x values are being multiplied by 3. Okay, for this one here, if I were to talk about this question here, I can just use this here, my pen. This here will be a vertical stretch by a factor of 2, and this one here, the -1, is gonna go right 1 unit, and this is gonna be a parabola that opens up. So if I were to just do a quick sketch, that would be this would be like going to the right 1 unit right here. So it'll be something like that. Okay, something similar to that. But let me show you my actual graph that I have here, because I already did it for you. So let me show you. Okay, so I already did it. I just got this from Desmos. This is the parent function, which is the red dotted line here. These are my points, the inputs and outputs. And for the graph that got shifted, so the -1 got shifted to the right one, and then the 2 here, it got shifted. This one is a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. So let's just pick some values here. Look at this 2 right here. When I input a 2, I get 4. When I input a 2 here, I get a 2. So notice here, my vertical stretch, I got 2 right here. So 0, I get 2. -1, I get 8. -1, I get 1 here. -2, I get 4. So that's what you do right here to this one. It's a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. So whatever input you put, you're going to multiply by 2. But of course, you have to do the input. So like the 1 minus 1 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is, yeah, let me put this one right here, like the 1 here. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 squared is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. So that's the input and output. All right. For this one here, number 7, this minus here, okay, let me show you real quick. This minus here, it is the reflection of the across the x-axis. So this is my x-axis right here. So this is a reflection. This here is going to move it left 2 units, and this is going to move it down 7. That's why from here, it went left 2, 1, 2, and then reflected, and then, right, so it's like right there, my reflection. But then this one brings it down 7 units. So it went down here 7 units, and that's where my new graph is. That's what I put right here, shift to left and down 7. Okay. For the next one, I got this one here. So this one will be, this graph is the parent function, the green one, right? And then I have a 1/4. So that's the graph is shrink vertically by 1/4, or stretch horizontally by a factor of 1/4, and that's shifted up 1 unit. So it's a vertical shift here, not vertical shift, vertical shrink by 1/4, and then it shifted up 1. Okay, for this last one over here, number 9, this is gonna be, the graph is refracted across the x-axis, and it's a vertical shrink by a factor of 1/2, and translation 4 units down. Okay, 4 units down. Last but not least, right here, let me erase this. Okay, then this is my original over here. So this one will be the parent function, and this is the shift. And for this one here, oops, for this one here, it will be that.